I don't want anyone to leave this place without knowing the mystery of the gospel. For as believers, it is as important for us to know the mystery of the gospel as it is to know the message of the gospel. How can a holy God forgive sin? You remember we referred to some of the ancient Greek philosophers and thinkers who opined that they couldn't see how a deity could forgive sin. And they had no concept of deity paying for the sin himself. None whatsoever. But it was necessary, and Paul explains it, in the sins in the past, through the forbearance of God, came Calvary. And the integrity of the Creator was justified. I'm going to read it again. Whom God has set forth to be a propitiation through faith in his blood, to declare his righteousness for the remission of sins that are past through the forbearance of God. To declare at this time his righteousness, that he might be just and the justifier of him that believeth in Jesus.